Get massive knee arthritis pain relief using this tool, and you can do it in just 5 minutes. Here's how this works. Massage guns like this are everywhere. You can find them on the internet, you can find them at most stores. They're quite affordable these days. This one's got a switch on the bottom that you flip on, and then you touch the little screen on the back, and you've activated it. They come with different heads. All you want to do if you have knee arthritis is focus on the front of your thigh, because these muscles right here get shorter because they get overused in knee arthritis. If you can find the tender spots in your thigh muscle, like I've got one about right here, and then just hang on that spot for about 30 seconds. You can use different angles, you can apply different amounts of pressure. The goal here is to get that tender spot to soften up and to feel less tender. You might move around it just a little bit to see where it's tender still, and just hang on it for 30 seconds, no more than 60 seconds. You get diminishing returns after that. And if you have any other spots like that, focus on those. Usually people have 2 or 3, maybe 4 or 5 at most. That's why it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do this. After you've softened up all the tender spots, what you should find is that your muscle is much more loose, and you should be able to bend and straighten your knee and feel less stiff, and it should literally feel like you have less pain in your knee. This is just as good, if not better, than taking pain medications, because there's no side effects as far as like organ damage. And it's temporarily addressing the root muscle imbalance, which, because these muscles get overused, because there's weakness in the back of the hip, they are applying a lot of pressure to where they attach in the front. They attach to the kneecap and to the shin bone, and so it pulls the kneecap and the shin bone against the end of the thigh bone, which when it rubs there too long, that's what sets you up for arthritis. As weeks and months go by with that extra pressure from those quads that are working too hard, and that's what pushes on the cartilage and causes the arthritic changes to happen, and of course the pain and swelling that you might be dealing with. This is just one of many treatments that we use within our knee arthritis recovery program, and specifically in phase 1, this is the mechanical pain relief option. There's other options in there. We also have a chemical relief list of things you can try out, and then some exercises. And once you're done with phase 1, then there's exercises and treatments to do in phase 2 and 3 and 4. You can learn all about this in our knee arthritis recovery program right here.